Hi, my name is Shafika. So we're gonna discussing part A, question 1. You can pause the video to read the question before answering. Here's the timeline for the information that we get from the question, which are P1 equals to 95,000 ringgit for the first 2 years, K equals to 7% and M equals to 6. And for the next 3 years, K equals to 6.5% and M equals to 3. So the question asks to find the answer for the total amount Haris will have at the end of 5 years, which we call as 2. We're gonna use formula S equals to P in bracket 1 plus K divided by M, power of M multiply T. When we use calculator to insert the numbers into the formula, we will get the answer for S1, which is 28,733 ringgit 55 cent. Same goes to P2 because S1 equals to P2. So we're gonna use the same formula to find the final answer. We will get 34,847 ringgit and 55 cent. Question 2A, P equals to 120,000 ringgit and the T is 4 years. For option 1, K equals to 4% and M equals to 1. And for option 2, K equals to 3.9% and M equals to 2. So to find the total amount for option 1, we use formula S equals to P in bracket 1 plus K divided by M, power of M multiply T. We use calculator to put the numbers into the formula. We will get the answer S equals to 140,383 ringgit and 3 cent. And for option 2, we use the same formula and we will get the answer 140,048 ringgit 70 cent. Question 2B, to find the total interest paid for option 1, we use formula I equals to S minus P, which is 140,383 ringgit and 3 cent minus 120,000 ringgit. We will get the answer is 20,383 ringgit and 3 cent. So same goes to option 2. We use the same formula and we will get the total interest paid, which is 20,048 ringgit and 70 cent.
For question C, by how much is one option more economical than the other? Show the difference clearly. So for this question, option 1 need to minus with option 2, which is 20,383 ringgit and 3 cent, minus with 20,048 ringgit and 70 cent. We got 334 ringgit and 33 cent. So for this question, option 2 are more economical because option 1 need to pay the interest more, which is Rm 334 ringgit and 33 cent than option 2. Question D. If Damia choose option 2 but repays the loan after 3 years instead of 4, calculate the amount she will repay. So option 2, T is 3 years, so the formula is S equal with P bracket 1 plus K divide M bracket and then power with M times T. So 120,000 ringgit bracket with 1 plus 0.039 divide 2 bracket and then power with 2 times 3. So as we got 134,742 ringgit and 51 cent. Part B, question 1. Sarah opened a saving account for her son's education fund since he was 3 years old. The account pays 3.5% compound monthly every month. She would deposit 150 into the account until her son reached 70 years old. So, question A. Find the amount in the account when Sarah's son is 17 years old. So for the equation, R is 150, K is 3.5%, M is 12 because compound monthly, T is 14 years because 17 years need to minus with 3 years because Sarah starting open her son's saving account when he was 3 years old. So we got 40. Then for the formula, S equal with R bracket 1 plus K divide M and then power with MT minus 1 then divide K divide M. So 150 bracket with 1 plus 0.035 divide 12 and then power with 12 times 14 minus 1 and then divide 0.035 divide 12. So as we got 32,459 ringgit and 2070 cent.
Question part B, question 1. The question asks to calculate the amount of interest when Sarah's son is 20 years old if they never withdraw any money from the account. So T equals to 3 years and we're going to use the formula S equals to P brackets 1 plus K divided with m with the power of m multiplied by t. So we're going to put the amount in the formula. So it's going to be S equals to 32,459 ringgit and 27 cents brackets 1 plus 0.035 divided by 12 with the power of 12 multiplied by 3. So we're going to use the calculator and you can get the answer S equals to 36,047 ringgit and 35 cents. Next, we're going to find the interest. So the formula for interest is I equals to S minus M multiplied by T and multiplied by R. So you're going to put the amount in the formula and use your calculator to calculate the amount, and in the end you'll get the interest equals to 10,847 ringgit and 36 cents. For question 2, Mr. Wong purchased a car at 131,250 ringgit and he paid 20% as down payment, and the rest was financed by Bank AC at an interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly. The loan will be repaid by monthly installment for 8 years. And the question asks to find the amount of his monthly installment. So from the question we get the information that Mr. Wong paid 131,250 ringgit and the down payment is 20%, K equals to 4.5%, M equals to 12, T equals to 8 years. First thing first, we have to find the down payment. So as you guys can see here on the equation, the formula DP equals to 20 divided by 100 and multiply with 131,250 ringgit. So you get the answer. The down payment is equals to 26,250 ringgit. Next, we have to find the present value. So A equals to 131,250 ringgit minus with 26,250 ringgit. So you get the answer 105,000 ringgit. So that will be the loan. Next, we're going to find R, and here's the formula. A equals to R bracket 1 minus the bracket 1 plus K divided by M with the power of negative M multiplied by T and divided by K divided by M. So you can just put the numbers in the formula and use your calculator to find the R, and for the final answer you get 1,304 ringgit and 44 cents as R. For the final question, right after making his monthly payment at the end of the 6th year, Mr. Wong decided to discharge the remaining debt by making a single payment. How much must he pay to settle the loan? So 8 years minus 6 years, so you'll get 2 years. And then you will just use the formula from the previous question and he'll get A equals to 29,885 ringgit and 58 cents.